Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best single stage reloading press you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best single stage reloading press in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is our RCBS 9356 Rock Chucker Supreme Press. This press, on the other hand, offers a little more flexibility than other presses. If you're in the middle of a protracted reloading session, the ambidextrous design makes it simple to switch hands. Because of the replaceable dies, most single-stage reloading presses are adaptable, and the Rock Chucker Supreme Press is no exception. The O-frame here provides plenty of room for your hands to work. With this O-frame press, fitting your rifle cases into the stage is simple. Long reloading sessions are made easier with the ball handle. It's functional and pleasant. The press's entire mechanism is smooth and quick. This press has a lot of reloading power. It's hefty and intimidating. Heavy-duty reloading, case making, and bullet swagging are among the jobs it can handle. Whatever load you want to throw at this press, it'll be ready. If you're just getting started and don't expect to ramp up output, or if you want a press that you won't have to replace if you find the single-state press too restricted. The Rock Chucker gains a lot of value as a result of this. The Rock Chucker is transformed into a 5-station manual indexing progressive press with the Piggyback 4. You can add a separate star wheel to this improvement to make it even better. This press's modularity is fantastic. Our second best single-stage reloading press is Lee Precision Breech Lock Challenger Press. If you're looking for a press that looks good, then this press will scratch fill in a beautiful void. This press is an eye-catching piece of machinery. The sight of its fire truck iron patiently awaiting the next round of hungry casings in your workshop is enough to make you feel like this was a worthwhile buy. Other reloaders are big and industrial looking, but the Lee Precision Press is a refreshing change of pace. It's suitable for both beginners and experts. The press's understated appearance betrays the amount of power and precision it can produce. This is a fantastic press. There are no hurdles between your casings and a smooth reloading procedure thanks to the strong no-frill structure. The frame is large and durable, and loading casing into the ram is straightforward because to the amount of room provided by the frame. Although this is another O-frame reloader, the quantity of room jammed into this press is astounding. Third pick in our list is RCBS Rebel Single Stage Press. If you like the Rock Chucker Supreme, but you feel a little intimidated by either the price point, the range of features, or the size, then consider their slightly smaller offering, the Rebel Single Stage. You should wish to expand your armament over time in search of faster reloading times. This press is also compatible with Hornady lock-end load conversion kits. The Rock Chucker Supreme has more features than this press. You won't find a catch for your primers here, but with a little creativity, you can make up for it. We're sure you have a bucket in the workshop somewhere, and if you really want to catch your primers and save some money, you'll be better off establishing an easy method of cleanup. You won't be slinging primers all over the place because the primer ejection is directly through the bottom of the ram. The lever mechanism is slightly different, although it's basically just tweaked to make the press lighter. This press accepts a variety of common die bushings, so you won't have to buy any new bushings or dispose of your old ones if you're upgrading or downsizing to save space. The Precision Machine solid cast iron frame. The tolerances are kept to a minimum here, resulting in a smooth and precise reloading procedure. The O-frame on any of RCBS's basic presses is one of the largest. When you're putting up your casings, you'll have plenty of area for your hands. Number 4 in our side is Hornady Lock-End Load Classic Reloading Press. If you're a seasoned shooter or a novice trying to save some money, the Hornady Lock-End Load Press Kit is the one to go with. It includes everything you'll need to get started and make your reloading process simple and straightforward. They aren't attempting to save money here. They have it here if you need it to reload your bullets. This package includes representations of every step of the procedure. Picking up this press for the kit isn't the only incentive to do so. It's accurate, simple to operate, and dependable. This is a durable cast frame that will endure as long as you need it to. If you've been burnt in the past by cheap presses that failed midway through your 10th bullet, rest assured that this Hornady press is here to help. It's more than just a sturdy piece of reloading gear. It's easy to use and enjoyable. The ball handle supports any grip, and you won't have to wrestle with the press's gears. It's well machined, and removing primers is as easy as slicing room temperature butter. The unheralded hero of the operation is the stand. Say goodbye to the pain in the butt process if you're used to holding onto your casings while reloading them on turret press style reloading presses. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best single-stage reloading press list is Lee Precision Iron Reloading Hand Press. This Lee reloading press is a little different from the other single-stage reloading presses available. You won't need to attach this to your workbench because you'll be able to complete the entire reloading operation from the palm of your hand. It's not as heavy as the cast iron presses you're used to, but it's just as capable as the big guns. It's roughly a tenth of the size and weight of full-sized presses, yet it doesn't sacrifice functionality. The die bushings take the same die sets as any other press that accepts threaded dies with a 7x8" 14 thread. Case loading is simple, and operation is comparable to that of a mounted single-stage press. You only need to make a crimping motion instead of pulling a lever. They conserve weight by using cast aluminum instead of cast iron for the press and removing all of the levers and pistons that are required when attaching a machine to a table and operating it with a huge lever. This is an excellent purchase for someone not willing to dedicate an entire corner of their home to a reloading station.